Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Creative. Now search, and you should install this application, Creative. Now open it. Hello. You can sign in into your account or you can create one, but I'm going to skip it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!